Breastfeeding is a path, and such a beautiful one the whole way. But come on, it can be a bit intimidating at the beginning. This video has everything you need to know about breastfeeding, from how to get started and the benefits for you and your baby to how to deal with common challenges, breastfeeding etiquette, must-have items, and much more. Did you know breast milk changes its composition to meet your baby's specific needs, even when they're sick? Stay tuned to discover the magic of breastfeeding and how you can make this journey smoother. The first steps to breastfeeding success. The journey begins right after birth. The first step is initiating breastfeeding within the first hour of your baby's life, often called the golden hour. During this time, your baby is naturally alert and ready to latch. Skin-to-skin contact. Holding your baby's skin to skin helps stimulate their instincts to latch. It also promotes bonding, regulates their temperature, and reduces their stress levels. The perfect latch. Baby's mouth should cover the nipple and a good portion of the areola. The baby's lips should flare out and their chin should touch your breast. A good latch is painless. If it hurts, adjust and try again. Pro tip: breastfeeding is a skill both you and your baby are learning. Patience is your best friend. Why breastfeeding matters, the science and benefits. Breastfeeding offers more than just nourishment. It boosts health, immunity, and even emotional well-being for babies. Provides complete nutrition tailored to their needs, contains antibodies that fight infections and reduce the risk of illnesses like diarrhea, ear infections, and respiratory issues. Promotes brain development through docosahexaenoic acid and other fatty acids. For mothers, helps the uterus return to its standard size through the release of oxytocin. Reduces the risk of breast and ovarian cancers, type 2 diabetes, and postpartum depression. It can even help burn extra calories, aiding postpartum weight loss. Fun fact: breast milk composition changes during a single feeding. It starts as watery foremilk to quench thirst and ends as creamy hindmilk to satisfy hunger. Tackling common challenges. It's normal to face some bumps along the way. Let's address the most common challenges and how to overcome them. Challenge 1. Low milk supply. Milk supply is driven by demand. Nurse frequently or pump to stimulate production. Include galactagogues, milk-boosting foods like oats, fenugreek, and almonds in your diet. Challenge 2. Sore nipples. Use nipple creams or apply a few drops of breast milk after feeding for natural healing. Ensure the baby is latching correctly to prevent irritation. Challenge 3. Overwhelming schedule. If juggling multiple responsibilities, consider pumping and storing milk for flexibility. Create a schedule that works for you and your baby's feeding patterns. Quick tip: always seek support, whether from a lactation consultant, your partner, or online communities. You're not alone in this journey. Breastfeeding etiquette. Nursing with confidence. Breastfeeding in public can feel intimidating at first, but it's a natural and legal right in many places. Here are some tips to boost your confidence. Find comfortable spaces. Scout nursing rooms or quiet corners when out and about. Many malls and airports provide family-friendly areas. Dress smartly. Wear nursing bras and tops with easy access. Use a lightweight nursing cover if it makes you more comfortable. Practice at home. Rehearse with your baby in front of a mirror to gain confidence before stepping out. Encouragement. Remember, breastfeeding is natural, and most people are supportive. You're providing the best for your baby. The science behind breastfeeding, a deeper dive. Breastfeeding is backed by incredible science. Let's explore how your body works to nourish your baby. Oxytocin triggers the letdown reflex, releasing milk for your baby. Prolactin ensures continuous milk production. Immune boosters. Breast milk contains white blood cells and immunoglobulins that adapt to your baby's environment, protecting them from infections. Fun fact: during a baby's illness, a mother's body adjusts milk composition to include more infection-fighting antibodies. Nature is truly remarkable. Breastfeeding Essentials, tools for success. Having the right tools can make a world of difference. Let's go over the essentials every breastfeeding mum should consider. Breast pump. Ideal for mums returning to work or needing flexibility. Nipple creams. Prevent and soothe cracked nipples. Storage bags. These are for freezing and organizing pumped milk. Nursing pillow helps position your baby comfortably. Breast pads to prevent leaks and stay dry. Pro tip: invest in quality tools that suit your needs. A comfortable mama equals a happy baby. Pumping and milk storage tips. Pumping is a great way to ensure your baby gets breast milk even when you're apart. Start pumping 2 to 3 weeks before returning to work to build a stash. Store milk in BPA-free bags or bottles. Label each bag with the date and time of expression. Storage guidelines: room temperature, up to 4 hours. Refrigerator, up to 4 days. Freezer, up to 6 months. Quick tip: always thaw frozen milk in the fridge or warm water, never in a microwave, as it can destroy nutrients. Breastfeeding is a journey filled with challenges, triumphs, and priceless moments. Remember, every drop of breast milk is a gift to your baby, and your effort is something to be proud of. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Share your breastfeeding tips or experiences in the comments. Let's support each other in this beautiful journey.